Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my November Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys want to see what's in my Boxycharm for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so my box this month weighs 0.75 of a pound. And then the variation I have is number 2. The theme, I actually don't want to look at it until I start looking at the products because I actually don't know any of the spoilers for this month. Ooh. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, so first we have some brushes from Luxie, and these look so pretty. They're like gold eyeshadow brushes. I love Luxie brushes. I use them pretty much every single day. All right, so here are all 4 eyeshadow brushes. We have a mini flat angled brush, a mini round brush, a mini angled brush, and then a mini tapered brush. So they're all like really precise blending brushes for like the outer V, outer corner, or like for your lower lash line. So they're definitely all brushes that I'm gonna use. Let me see what the retail value is. So these retail for $21, so the same price as the box with just these 4 brushes. And then next up I have something from Jante Blue. This is a glittering star eyeliner, so I gotta get this open, but we've gotten products from this brand in the past, I think lip liners and liquid lipsticks. So here is what the eyeliner looks like. It's just a black liner with glitter. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. You can probably barely see the glitter, but it goes on very, very creamy, a lot more than I thought it would. So it basically looks black with a glitter reflex. So for like a smokier eye look, I would definitely use that. It actually blends out really creamy. That was like a lot more surprising than I expected. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more harsh because it is a pencil and not like a gel eyeliner. But that is definitely really pigmented, and I feel like the glitter will be kind of subtle, like in a good way, where it just has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's not like super out there. So it's definitely a lot more wearable than I thought it was gonna be when I heard the name of this. And this retails for $5, so it's really affordable. So next up we have a makeup brush cleaner. This is from the brand Bodyography Pro, and this is actually a decent sized bottle. It's 2 ounces. I've never heard of this brand before, and I could definitely use a makeup brush cleaner. So this retails for $12, so it's pretty affordable. It says it's made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. I wonder if it smells like oranges. Alright, so I think it has an orange scent to it. I'm super sick, so I can barely smell anything, but I feel like I have like a faint smell of orange, which is nice because sometimes they just smell like pure alcohol. So I'm definitely gonna try that out, especially for spot cleaning. Anytime I do like any like blue eyeshadow or something, I need to wash on my brushes immediately. But with this, hopefully it works to clean them up. And then next, this is from Cover FX. This is their glitter drops. This one is in the shade Nova. I believe they have a couple of different shades. And this actually retails for $44, so that's super pricey. And this is actually a really pretty shade, but I'm not really sure. Maybe a liquid highlighter. Yeah, I think, oh, that is really pretty. Oh, that would be really pretty as like an inner corner highlight for sure, or a liquid highlighter. Honestly, I feel like I would use this more as like a body highlighter or mix it into lotion than like a face highlighter. I feel like it's super intense. On the card, it says it's multi-use, could be used alone, under makeup, mixed into foundation or moisturizer. So I definitely think that I would mix it into moisturizer for sure. I feel like it's gonna be so intense. Mixed into a foundation, like you'd be like super, 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 super glowy. So I'm going to start off using this as a body highlighter because I wiped it off and I still have glitter on my arm. So it's definitely super like intensely pigmented. Let me know if you guys got that and if you got like a different shade, but I'm happy with that shade because it's more of like a really pretty gold and like wearable. Ooh, and then this is a palette from Ace Beauté, I believe is how you pronounce it. I have heard of this brand, but I've never known like where to purchase their products. But I've heard their eyeshadows are like super, super pigmented. And this retails for $24.99. It's the Grandiose palette. This is a palette that I'm definitely gonna wear. All the colors are definitely, ooh, the matte shade swatches really creamy. So these are some of those swatches so far. Ooh, that is super, super pigmented. Like the matte formula, I was surprised just like swatching it because it feels like so buttery. All right, so here are the rest of the swatches. They all swatch so pigmented and super, super like creamy. Like they feel so buttery. Even the mattes feel really buttery. This pink shade I didn't think was gonna swatch good, but it's like super, super pigmented. Sometimes it's hard with shades like that, but they all swatch really nicely. It's like really nice fall colors, but there's a little variety in there. It's not just like warm browns, because you do have some pink in there too. So I think I'm definitely the most excited about this eyeshadow palette out of everything in this box, because I've been wanting to try out this brand, and all these colors are colors I will definitely wear. So that is everything in my box. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the prices of everything to get the value. All right, so the value of my box this month is $107. I actually thought it was gonna be worth a little bit more, but it's because the eyeliner is only $5, and then the makeup brush cleaner is $12. So you have two products in here that are a little bit of like a lower value, but everything else is definitely a lot higher. But either way, like I'm gonna use everything in my box this month. Definitely the eyeshadow brushes and the eyeshadow palette like make the whole box for me. Like these two are my favorite for sure. I love Luxie brushes. I use them every single day, and I've been wanting to try out this brand. So that is everything for my Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are interested in signing up with Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link with them. I will leave that in my description box. And yeah, that's gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.